circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, square.
Hello. Kel, is that you?
Yep, repair person Kelly, here on a house call. Now, I hear you have a problem with your clothes dryer.
That's right. I think it's broken. It's making a funny noise.
Oh, is this the clothes dryer here?
Yep, that's it.
Now, what seems to be the problem exactly?
You see, when I turn it on to dry my clothes, it makes a very strange sound.
Oh, like...
No, it's not quite like that.
Well, what about... Whoppa, 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 whoppa?
No, that's not the sound either.
Well, what about yugga, 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 yugga?
It's more like flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka.
Flop-a-tacka, hey? And what could that sound be? What's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound when the dryer goes around? Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, ching, ching, ching. Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, doopa-doppa-ding. Okay, let's do a sound test. It sounds to me like you accidentally left some keys in your clothes. Is this the sound?
No, that sounds like ching-changa, ching-changa. The dryer sounds like flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka.
What's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound when the dryer goes around? Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, ching, ching, ching. Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, doopa-doppa-ding. Okay, well, maybe you left a tennis ball in your clothes. Is this the sound?
That tennis ball sounds like doopa-doppa-doopa-doppa. The dryer sounds like flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka.
Flop-a-tacka, hey? What's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound when the dryer goes around? Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, ching, ching, ching. Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, doopa-doppa-ding. Oh, I've got it! Oh, I reckon it sounds like a red cap with a blue pom-pom and a metal badge.
Repair person Kelly, how do you know that?
Well, the pom-pom would sound like flopper-flopper, and the metal badge would sound like taka-taka. And besides, I put my cap in here yesterday. Oh, cool. Thanks, Chats. It's nice and dry.
Thanks for the visit, repair person Kel. You're a great fixer-upper.
Anytime. You know what? I need to get out of here. I've got a few more house calls to make. What's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound when the dryer goes around? Flop-a-tacka, flop-a-tacka, ching, ching, ching.